Welcome to Anchorphonics. This is your channel. Please name the types of tenses and differentiate the meanings of tenses. Virat Kohli has been playing cricket. Sachin Tendulkar had been playing cricket. Shreya Ghoshal has been singing the songs. Mohammad Rafi had been singing the songs. Your time is started. Please identify them. Let's look at the examples. Virat Kohli has been playing cricket is an example for present perfect continuous tense because has been plus present participle is used in the example. Sachin had been playing cricket is an example for past perfect continuous tense because had been plus present participle form of the verb is used in the sentence. Virat Kohli has been playing cricket means Virat Kohli started playing cricket in 2007 and he is still playing cricket in 2020. Playing cricket began in 2007, which was past year. He is still playing cricket in 2020, which is present. This example indicates an action began in the past but is still continuing in the present time. Present perfect continuous tense can be used when an action began in the past and is still continuing in the present time. We can use since or for with this type of tense. Sachin had been playing cricket means Sachin began playing cricket in 1989 and continuing and completed in the year 2011. An action began in the year 1989, continued and completed in the year 2011. Both 1989 and 2011 are past years. This example indicates an action began in the past and was still continuing in the past only. Past perfect continuous tense can be used when an action began in the past and was still continuing in the past only. I shall attend the function is an example for simple future tense because shall plus first form of the verb is used in this example. I shall be attending the function is an example for future continuous tense because shall be plus present participle form of the verb is used in this example. She will enjoy in the park is an example for simple future tense. She will be enjoying in the park is example for future continuous tense. I shall attend the function. I may attend the function. I may not attend the function. That is not important thing here. This is my future plan. Simple future tense is used to express intention or future plan. I shall be attending the function means an action attending the function will be going in the future time. Future continuous tense can be used when an action will be going on in the future time. I shall have constructed a house is an example for future perfect tense because shall have and past participle form of the verb is used in this example. I shall have been constructing a house is an example for future perfect continuous tense because shall have been and present participle form of the verb is used in this example. The action constructing a house will begin in 2030 and continue and completed in the year 2032. An action will begin in 2030, continue and completed in the year 2032. Both 2030 and 2032 are there in the future time. This example indicates an action will begin in the future, continue and complete in the future. Future perfect tense can be used when an action will begin in the future, continue and complete in the future tense only. I shall have been constructing a house means the action constructing a house will begin in 2030 and continuing in 2032 also. An action will begin in 2030 and still continuing in 2032. Both 2 years 2030 and 2032 are there in the future time only. Future perfect continuous tense can be used when an action will begin in the future time and will be continuing in the future time only. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for further notification.